As we see here, this is the Ford Lightning, and we're going to be doing a tire change on this vehicle. As you notice, this vehicle here has a spare underneath, so we'll be lowering that spare through here. And
notice here the before and after. This job should take you about 10 to 15 minutes if you have the right tools. So let's see exactly how easy this tire change is.
The items that you're going to need are a impact wrench. As we see here, we have a 13/16 is the size for the bolts here. We're also going to need a jack stand, knee pad, and also you're going to have to lower the tire, so you're going to have to enter into the back. Right behind the seat, you're going to find access to lowering the tire. These are the items that will be attached to lower the tire underneath the car. Make sure these are all connected. This will be your male. Let's get it connected and lower the spare. Let the gate back up. Next, you're going to stick in your connector to lower. You're going to lower it to the left, and there you see, start to drop. Just takes a few spins. As it's the same size as the regular tire.
That was easy.
So underneath the vehicle, you'll notice that there's an area to jack up the vehicle. So I'm going to get access to there, and this will not impact the battery because it's actually above there. And make sure too, you put your stand underneath here to give you some support there. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That was easy.
And we'll be changing the tire. So from here, we're going to make sure we take out our jack stand. We're going to make sure that the jack is a little bit more leveled, because you can see ours is at an angle. So we don't want to do this. We're going to let it down. And we have our pads here. It's all set. We're just going to make sure we check these to see if they have the pounds per pressure are equal. So you're going to use your torque wrench and make sure that the tire is set at a certain amount of pounds per pressure. Make sure that's tight to the click on all your bolts. We're going to put this as well in the back and put our tools away. So there we have it. We have the tire change in the F150, and we're about to close up shop here. All right, so we're just going to take it for a spin, see how it rides.
Thank you for watching Watts Lock and Key.